Hey guys, this is Elijah. I am the CEO and founder of VFitter. We are an all-in-one AI company, but this video is not about us. It's about Loom. Shout out to Loom for being awesome, bro. Like a lot of our videos are done within minutes. They have AI title applied, summary applied, chapters applied, remove filler words. I'm probably using this as I'm speaking. Remove silences. Perfect. Like when you freeze, you can't even spell your words. Those are just removed very fast. Um, but here's the thing. This is basically I tried contacting their sales because I'm premium. But like it was very hard process. I wish they had a chatbot here that I could just talk to customer service as a premium client. And first thing I realized when I'm sharing a video on Loom, it feedbacks in my ear and I couldn't fix it. It's their problem. It's not from a computer, it's not from Windows, it's not even from Chrome. It's their problem. I'm hearing a weird feedback in my ear every time I'm recording like a React video, and that's annoying. So fix it, team. I know it's development. Get to work. Thank you so much. See you later. But okay, one last thing. I just have to say it's awesome. Like click, 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 video, click, 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 edit, all done within minutes. And like you can trim and stitch. It's easy. Like just look at this. I can just go. I even they even have hotkeys, so you can just press and split, add clip, multiple things, all done within minutes. I can't believe this is real. Thank you so much. See you later.